The disrespect shown for disabled people in Wales throughout the UK Labour government's shambolic, incoherent, chaotic, immoral approach to welfare reform has been breathtaking and unforgivable. Does the Welsh Government agree with Disability Rights UK that the UK Government passing this disastrous bill shows deep disdain for disabled people, and also with Disability Wales' view that this bill is unsafe?
I welcome the fact that the fact now that we have concessions which were reflected in the bill that finally went through last night. It did reflect on our call in my letter last Tuesday for the PIP review to take place before any changes are made. That's now laid down in statute. Commitment to co-production with disabled people. I met with Stephen Timms on Sunday and invited him to Wales to meet our disabled people.
There's still confusion, isn't there, about what the promise to remove that tighter PIP eligibility from the bill really means in practice, whether MPs would get a say over any changes resulting from the Timms review, as there's been no guarantee to put the review's recommendations in primary legislation. So can you confirm what information that Stephen Timms shared with you on Sunday about the new plan for the review, which was revealed in such a chaotic and last-minute way yesterday with no consultation? Will you be seeking guarantees, for instance, that disabled people in Wales, now and in the future, won't be worse off as a result of the review?
We now have an opportunity to influence the way forward in terms of with disabled people, and I hope that's something where we can grasp that opportunity.